Balance plays such an important role into our everyday life, but balance plays an even more important role when we talk about ballet. And it's one of the most asked questions. How do I balance? How do I stand in one position on my tippy toes for a long time? So today I've got for you 3 beautiful exercises. The only thing that you need is a pillow. No fancy equipment, no balls or things like that. Only a pillow or a cushion that you can find at home. And we're going to be doing these 3 exercises that will get your body stronger, and especially will learn how to be on balance even on very uneven surfaces. And my beautiful adult ballet dancers out there, if you have just started out with your ballet journey, if you want to dig deeper into the very basics of ballet and learn way more than just steps and dance with me, I've got 3-day completely free event that we are going to be doing together. The only catch, you need to sign up on the link that is in the description box below. Again, it's completely free, and for 3 entire days we are going to be dancing together. Are you ready to unleash the adult ballerina that is in you, moving your body in the best way you can? Then sign up right here, right now in the description box below, and we're going to be dancing together. I can't wait to see you there. And let's get ready to work on these exercises for balance. All right, here we go. Let's start with our fancy equipment, also called pillow. All right, so for our balance exercise number 1, I've got something very simple, but I want you to think about a couple of things. So let's get onto our pillow in our first position. So the first thing I want you to think about is what our toes are doing. Yeah, are they all crunched up? Are they trying to hold on to the pillow, or are they nicely elongated like a gecko feet, I call them, in order to get every single part of the foot as a platform for our balance? Yes, I know sometimes we've got really restrained shoes, so what happens is we do this within the shoe. But now is our time to really work those muscles, those metatarsal muscles under the foot, the toes, yes, without scrunching them, the glutes, inside thighs, calves, and everything around the ankle. Yeah, so we are nice and stable. So if you want to start either with our hands onto the hips, but I prefer in a first position, is just because it gives us a little bit of more balance. Yeah, it's like those they're doing stilt walking or walking on a rope, yeah, to kind of balance yourself. This is exactly what our arms do. If they're floppy, they don't help us, yeah. We cannot walk onto the rope, yeah. So the arms are doing exactly that job. We don't have the stick in the hand, but it's the same feeling. So from here, toes spread out like geckos, legs super strong, magnet together, attached. Very simple exercise. We're going up to a rise, yes, very good, without doing the lambada dance with our ankles. From here, really pushing the arches, coordination with the arms going up, and then when we come back up, coordination with the arms and legs, yeah, coming down and extending at the same time and releasing down. If this is the first time that you're doing, you might feel that your ankles are going backwards, forward, backwards, outwards, a little bit like that. But if we think about that, there is a line that goes from the knee all the way down on top of the foot, and it falls right in between the the second and third toe right here. That's exactly where the balance should happen, yeah? Don't scrunch your toes, we're gonna do it again. Very good, nice, simple, gecko feet, legs together, core engaged, up onto a demi point, really pressing down the toes, yeah? Don't scrunch them, gecko, always think a gecko. And then from there, pressing still the toes down or using the big toe. We've got that for a reason. Coming back up and squeezing down. Very good. Can you feel how much it's working? Nice. We're gonna do it again. Press up and plie, push the arches. Very nice. Don't look down. Look above and beyond in front of you. Very good. And stretch back up and press down. Very nice. One more time. Lift up, hands in front of your belly button. When you bend, they go up above your head like there is a rope on top of your head pulling you up. And then again, all the way up and pressing down. Very good. Shake your legs for a moment and we come to the second exercise. Remember that these exercises you need to do at least 3-4 times a week, yes, minimum, if you want those legs to be nicely strong. Also remember that you can add up bit by bit, little more times you do the exercises. So now we've done it 4 times, but I highly recommend to do it at least 10 or 15 or even 20, yes, and always stretch your calves afterwards. Yeah, it's nice because they get nice and tight, but we want to release the tension as well. So getting into our second exercise, we are going to stand with one foot parallel. Don't look at me like that, because it's very important as ballerinas to work turned in as well. Turn out, yes, we do. We work on that. A lot of muscles involved, but in order for us to keep our turnout, we need to work on the turn-in as well, because our body at the end of the day wasn't meant to stay in that position, yeah? So by strengthening all the muscles that we need, we rebalance the body to work at its full potential. Potential, yes? So parallel feet, very good. From here, we're gonna go 1 foot at a time. And again, I really like you to think about the coordination with the arms, because balance, it's not just about the ankles and the feet, it's about the core, the arms, and the coordination that happens on top as well. So let's get into this second exercise, Alessia. Let's do this. I know, but I want you to be prepared. So from here, we bend our both knees, find the balance on one leg, yeah? So already feel where the lambada is happening onto that leg. From here, we're gonna lift one leg in front, yeah? Keep that knee stable, very nice. Gecko feet, they're still happening. And from here, without moving the hips, we're gonna tap away from the pillow. We go to the side, oh, clicky, to the back, keeping this sustained, that's why the arm is there, and then coming back up. Yeah, I know, I gotta work on that too. There's always one leg that is more stable than the other. So every time you do it, do an extra set on the, I call it the wonky leg, yeah? Very good, again. Don't look down, always look in front of you and come back up, because if we do this, we go with the leg. Yeah, because one, we break the line of the head on top of the spine, and plus the head is heavy, yeah? And wherever you put it, you will go towards where the head is. So if it's behind, you will definitely fall behind. So head on top of the spine, core engage, and we go. Bending the supporting leg, tap, tap, to the back, lift up, very good. One more time, because we've already done it 3 times. Down, here, lift, back into the center. Reshuffle to be right in the middle of your pillow. Gecko feet, really shake the legs. I know, can you feel it around here? Exactly there, very nice. And the bum, you should feel it on the bum too, because it's working as well. So you're bending one leg, we go out to the front, we point on the floor, we go tap, 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 lift, very good. See, this one is a bit more comfortable, very good. And now, out, tap, tap, lift, very nice, breathe. 1, 1, 1, lift, One more time. Down, 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 lift. Very good. This one was the easy one for me. So we're gonna just take the time together to do which side was it that wasn't so comfortable and a little bit more wobbly. For me, it was this side. So we'll do it 2 more times, yeah? Around twice on the not so good leg, yeah? So let's prepare. Ready? Not so good leg, let's work it. 1 extra set, so you see what I mean. Bending the supporting leg, and we go tap, 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 lift. Very good. Getting a bit more confident. Out, 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 and lift. Very good. And breathe. Nice. Shake your leg, and we'll get on to our last exercise. All right, so we can do this either with a pillow. We're gonna do it first with a pillow because I like when we try things on surfaces that they do help us out, but then once you get onto our usual hard floor, you see how much they can improve our stability. Yeah, so don't freak out if it doesn't happen just yet onto the wobbly pillow, but you'll see how much beneficial it is going to be on normal floor. So from here, we're going to go up onto a 5th position. I know, 5th position, nicely squeezed together. Already the ankles are going Giacomo, Giacomo, we call it in Italian, where it's just going everywhere, yeah? So from here, again, hands on the hips, really putting yourself up, out of your legs, yeah? Or in front of you. And we're going to go lift 1 foot and place it down, and then we replace the other foot behind and place it down. I know this one is a little bit complicated, but it's so good. And again, try to stay up on that tippy toes. Very good. Lifting up, coming back down. Really replace the leg. If it goes out there, of course, it's gonna be harder. You really need to find the sweet spot. 2 legs together, and then back leg, come back down and come down. Shake your legs, change leg. We're going on to the other one. This is a little bit of a killer, I know, especially because you need to find the right center of the pillow and be there. Very good. We'll do it 1 more time, twice, 1 in front, 1 at the back. And again, squeeze and control. Push down onto those arms in front of you. Have an imaginary bar, yeah? And we go lift, replace, lift at the back, replace. Woo, 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 woo. Come on. And again, if you got it, keep on going. And up, replace, and wobble, wobble. And back, replace, very good. And shake your legs. Before we try it again, have a quick stretch of the calf, yeah? And shake it, other calf. I know that one is a killer, but you'll see what I mean, all right? We work on our gecko feet, you're probably feeling it underneath your feet as well. I know, so give a good, nice little stretch to the toes as well. All right, let's give it a try and see what happens. So from here, we're going up to 5th position. Oh, it's already feeling stronger. Arms in front here. Very good. We got rid of the pillow now, and we're going lift, squeeze down, back, squeeze down. Very good. 1 more time. Lift, squeeze down, and back, squeeze down. Very good. Shake your legs. We're going the other way. Can you feel the difference? Where it's out there, it's all wobble. But in here, the muscles already know what you need to do to be in that right position. And again, remember the line that goes from the knee down to the 2nd toe, yeah? So we don't go out to this side, we don't fall onto the pinky either. All right, squeeze the legs, arms are right in front, really squeeze everything, and we find that balance. And again, front, forward, front, and squeeze back in the middle, to the back. Gecko feet, again, find those gecko feet, and every time that you lift, the gecko feet goes long feet, long toes, back, finding the gecko feet, and long toes, back in and down. Very good. Shake your legs. Beautifully done. I knew that was hard, but you so did it. Keep on doing these exercises at least 10 times each one. Yeah, 3 times a week minimum to get super strong and in so control of your balance.